Guys, so I don't think I put this on my channel yet, but I got a job and I bought a Switch. So I'm gonna open it, so you know, that's gonna be pretty cool. Yippee. Yippee. Here we go. Look at this goober. Controllers out. And then, oh my god. Yes. Oh my gosh, this looks so clean. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, here's this. Okay, so here's. I got the red one because it's cheaper than the white one, I guess, for some reason. It comes with a HDMI cord. Wait, does it come with a thing? Oh, W. Okay. So yeah, here's it. The dock, the Switch, everything. I'm so happy. I bought this with my own money and everything. Okay, everyone. Bye.